Hi guys. So I often try to do something, at least one thing a year for charity sort of stuff, and this year I've opted to do something a bit more challenging than what I would normally do. There's no dressing up like a geek for a week or a fitness freak for a week. Like the previous years. This year, I'm doing something rather different. It's the Ration Challenge by Concern Worldwide. And so basically, there's a lot of people doing it, so which you'll see, now coming up. So yeah, just hang tight and then watch me open a box. Sounds exciting! Yeah, totally!
Between the 16th and the 23rd of June is Refugee Week, and as part of that I'm going to be living off of rations like a Syrian refugee for 1 week.
I'm so excited to take part in and so excited to share with you all, and that is the Ration Challenge. Now,
I have decided to take participation in the Ration Challenge, which starts on the 16th of June.
2019, I have decided I'm going to try and do a bit more for people, and I have decided to take on the Ration Challenge 2019.
Right, well, just like those people, I too am taking part in the Food Ration Challenge 2019. This box contains, what I'm going to be eating for this week. Now, the charity is Concern Worldwide. I think I got in contact about a month ago and registered myself for this. Initially, when I registered for it, I didn't know that they were actually going to be sending a sort of makeshift version of the very sort of rations that a Syrian refugee would have. So just as soon as I get the box open, I'm sure we'll be fine. So it's just okay. This is taking a little bit longer than I thought. Okay, right. Okay, I know what you're thinking. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, it's not Gwyneth Paltrow's head, so that's a good start. But what it is my food for the next week. And as you can see, it's pretty dire. There we have some rice, white long grain. That's 420 grams. Lovely jubbly. What else we got? Yeah, like little wooden pellets, but of course they are dried chickpeas, and that is 85 grams. I have no idea how to cook half of these things. Actually, even rice is a problem for me, so this is a double challenge. Then we have red lentils, 170 grams. I need a blender and maybe make some lentil soup of sorts, I guess. The wonderful Prince's sardines, sun-dried, I was going to say, but it's of course in sunflower oil. And what's the weight on this? Where's the weight on this? Right, okay, 120 grams is the net weight. Obviously, drained weight is 90. Then we have the Royal Crown red kidney beans in water. The net weight on this is, so some nutritional things there. Where's the net weight on this then? Right, okay, it's 420 grams and drained weight of 240 grams. So there's 240 grams of red kidney beans in there, and a bottle of vegetable oil. Lovely. That's 330 milliliters. That's the equivalent of a can of Coke. There's a couple of these jokey food coupons, as these refugees are sometimes given coupons, but they can exchange for food to your local shop. To recreate your refugee experience, please buy an additional 400 grams of flour and add this to your weekly ration. Well, that's pretty cool then. So I got another 400 grams of flour and rice, I guess. So yeah, this is my food contents for the week. So this is going to be fun, and good luck me, I guess. What a challenge. So just before I let you go, there's a few things I forgot to mention. Obviously, there'll be a link in the description for you to go and donate, because obviously it's a charity thing. We want to get money to get more more out there to them. So the actual date for the challenge is between the 16th and the 23rd of June, but because I'm incredibly selfish and I got other arrangements for that week, I'm doing it a week early. Okay, so yeah, please share the video and maybe even take part yourself. It's still not too late to join. As I say, it starts on the 16th, so I mean, you can jump on then or anytime you want, really, and get donating, guys. Bye.